Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm taking all these towels off. I don't want these anymore. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some wooden towels and hook it up real nice. So I'll give it a good theme. Yeah, I actually like this white one, but we're gonna give it another. We're gonna give it another look to see how it looks. So yeah. Okay, so basically I'm gonna put these ceramic towels. They're like $50 a piece. So I got 10 of them. And I'm gonna. This is like it's got silver in it and all this good stuff. Look at it, real beautiful. And I'm gonna put 7 of them out here. And I'll probably put up. All right, so but yeah, I could put up. Yeah, I could put this whole section right here. All this right here. And then up here, I'm gonna put some different ones up there because I only have 10 of them. So, say 10 per square. Let me see, 10 per square. Yeah. So basically, count. See, these are the squares. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, basically, I could. Yeah, add these 10. That's all I have is 10. So maybe if I cut it in half, I could probably add the rest of them, but I'm not too sure. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably add like a piece right here, and then a piece right here, and then do something else in the middle. You know what I'm saying? If I could give it like an effect. But other than that, yeah, let me get to ripping these things off, and then I'll start adding these ceramics. Okay, so basically right here I got my tiles. I got my grinder and my spackle. I also got this right here as well. This is glue for towels. Right down here. Then later on, I'll put some grout once I'm done. Yeah. So basically, in the edges, I gotta level it to see how straight it's gonna be, and also do my measurements to cut. So it could be nice and straight, and from there everything will be cool. I might do it going up, it'll be easier for me, and from there, yeah, let's see what's going on happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Why I sounded like that, who knows, but hey, I'm so excited, ready to do this. Okay, check you out. Okay, so basically, yeah, I already have put up all the tiles. So this right here is brown grout. I wanted white grout, but what's the sense of putting white grout if it's gonna get dirty anyways later on in the future? So I had the ground, I got the the brown grout. So yeah, now I'm letting it dry, and then later on I'll pass a rag or a sponge and take out the debris from the grout. And I cleaned the stove out real good. I took the buttons out and everything. I'm also putting on some towels, some green and black towels that matches the refrigerator. So I'm putting this right here. I'm taking out everything out here. So basically, it's gonna look cool once I'm done. This is how it's looking for now. Later on, I'll swipe it down and everything will look good. So for now, this is what it is. Okay, so my backsplash is done. I already cleaned out the grout and all that, so it's official. I did all that, and it looks nice. I also did the oven. I also painted the buttons for the stove, and I did my little work of art as well. But yeah, this is how our kitchen looks. Looks way better. That's nice. Oh man, that's awesome. Yeah. Wait till my monkey sees it. YouTube. My monkey's right here. Bloopers. There you go. Looks awesome. Moni, you should stand right there because you match with the kitchen.
No, I don't know.
You should stand there. I'm gonna hang you up there with glue. Yeah. just can't help seeing how amazing this job came out. It looks so awesome. I love it. I love this marble tile. Marble, ceramic, glass tiles, backsplash. It looks so amazing. I don't know, I just can't help stop looking at it. It looks so amazing. I like it. I like it a lot. I got one pot I have to put back here. I also got to put the utensils back up. So I'm going to have to figure a way how to put the utensils. So I'm going to have to get some real thin nails or something that I could put my utensils back up. But other than that, it looks so cool. Let me put like some utensils I have. Let me see if I got some nails up underneath the cabinet. So let me see how they look. Okay, so basically I put some of these utensils up there for now. Let's see how it looks. It looks awesome with the utensils. I kind of like it without the utensils, but it still looks cool with the utensils on anyway. So regardless of anything, it still look cool. I gotta put the other utensils on this side, the silver ones, and yeah, it looks awesome. I love it, especially the design I did for the stove and for the refrigerator. I mean the refrigerator for the refrigerator. Yeah, so everything looks awesome, and I painted the cabinets as well, black and white theme. So as you can see, everything looks awesome. This table, I'm gonna give it another design look on this. So no lie, I might give it probably a theme. This theme right here, like this, or some other lighter theme, and maybe probably for that table as well. So I might give it this and that one, another theme. So other than that, everything looks cool. I'm so happy with this results of my kitchen. Actually, our kitchen is my wife's, and I remember when I built that, it was awesome. I'm doing a lot of nice fixture upper in here, so this came out awesome. My wife stacks up some cups there. I like to be neat, so yeah, I gotta clean that picture frame and hang it up as well over here. Other than that, it's cool. And my little coffee maker, I put the light on right there, and everything looks cool. So there you go. And this is the view of my whole kitchen. Got a lot of little cereals up there I'm about to eat later on. But this is how the whole kitchen looks. This is good entrance. Once you come in, this is what you see. A whole bunch of goodies and stuff. I gotta clean this table up. There's a lot of stuff on it, but yeah, I'm trying to keep everything simple. Other than that, the kitchen looks awesome. Yeah. Alright, so basically I finished everything. I finally got all the utensils up. Everything looks better now, and it looks awesome. Let me turn the light off to show you how everything looks. And this is what I was hoping for. Yeah, looks nice now. And let me put the light back on, and I'm gonna show you how everything's gonna look without these lights up here. Turn this off, and this is how it looks without the light. So yeah, I love it. It's awesome.